SkyNexFlow Reviews. Browser access. From any connected device, modern financial platforms should provide convenient access without requiring complicated installation processes. SkyNexFlow operates directly through a compatible web browser. Users can access their account, review market information, manage available tools, and follow account operations without downloading separate desktop software. In this SkyNexFlow Reviews video, we look at how the browser-based structure supports flexibility and convenience. Users can access SkyNexFlow from an internet-enabled computer, tablet, or other compatible device. This structure makes it easier to reach important account features from different locations while maintaining one consistent interface. The platform automatically adjusts market times to the user's local time zone. Asset schedules, contract deadlines, and relevant market information are displayed in a format that supports accurate planning. SkyNexFlow also supports access through VPN services and the Tor network. These connection options may appeal to users who value additional privacy. A stable and sufficiently fast connection remains important because market information and account updates need to load without interruption.